Welcome to the African Jungle Streamer. It's Dompelli. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use your set up your mic and your camera for your broadcast and recording and gameplay and streaming, you know. So guys, as you all know, we are live. I do tech videos, I do reviews, software, manosphere videos, coaching, live tech review videos, and all of that, guys. I do everything. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your webcam. Okay, you see now, if you look very well, you can see my background, right? See that? You can see my background. Okay, it's quite easy for you to make out my background. You can see what's behind me. Okay, you can see what's behind me in the video. So I'm going to be using a software to remove the background, okay, of my location. This software can turn your room, your house, your studio, anything, like, okay, your room, your house, or wherever, into a studio. Okay, it has the ability to remove the background without even, you don't even need a green screen or a green cloth or whatever. Even though you can see the background right here, you can see the background clearly, it can easily help you to remove the background, and you won't have to worry about that anymore. Okay, and also it can help you to clear the audio of your mic. You know this noise you have in the background when you're recording, that noise, you know, it helps you to cut it out. Okay, totally remove it. So guys, as you can see the background, right? See the TV over there, you can see everything like that, right? Nice. Now let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to go to your browser. You're going to go to Google. You go on Google, right? Search for NVIDIA Broadcasts. NVIDIA Broadcast. That's right there. NVIDIA Broadcast. Click on it. Let it load. NVIDIA Broadcasts. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. The very first link here, NVIDIA Broadcast app, AI powered voice and video. That's the app you need, guys. That's the app you need. That app works like a charm. So you download it, you install it. After you're done with the install and everything, you're going to see an icon like this. Okay, let me open it up. When you open it up, it's going to show up like this. The first thing to show you is your microphone. Okay, is the mic. That's the first thing you're going to see, the mic. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop the music. Nice, I've stopped the music so you guys can see what I'm doing, because we need to, you know, show you guys the mic. Okay, now what you're going to do is click on this drop down right here. Click on it. You're going to see all your mics available. Okay, mine right here, I'm using a USB mic. Look at it. I'm using a USB mic, right? Okay, now, so what you're going to do is this. You're going to select your main mic, your USB mic or whatever, the mic you're using. You're going to select it here to let it know that that's the mic that is going to be processing, okay? That is going to be denoising, okay? So now, you're going to click on the Effects tab. Number 1, select Noise Remover. There's going to be a button here that says Add Effects. Click on it and add Remove a Room Echo Remover. Okay, then you're going to turn this button on. Let me turn them off. You're going to turn this button on. Okay, you're going to turn it on. It will start working. So now, guys, I want to show you the difference. Okay, I want to show you the difference. Right now, I'm going to keep quiet. You're not going to hear anything. Okay, right now I have my AC is on, my fan is on. I have a lot of noise in the room, but you can only hear my voice because the app is working. Okay, that's why you can hear my voice, because the app is working right now. There is no it's removing all the AI is removing all the audio from all the background noise from the audio. You understand? So now I'm going to turn it off. You're going to hear a noise. You're going to hear a noise. You know the buzzing sound you get when you plug in your USB mic and all that. This app is going to totally remove it, guys. It works like magic. Okay, it works like magic, guys. So now I'm going to stop talking, and you're going to be able to see the difference. So when I stop talking now, you're not going to hear a thing. Okay, then I'll talk a little bit more and I'll turn it off. Then you'll be able to hear the noise I was talking about. Okay, so now 1 2, I'm going to keep quiet now. So as you can see, there's no single, not even one teeny bitty bit of noise. Not even one teeny bit of noise coming out. Okay, even though right now my chair is making a squeaky noise, the fan is on, the AC is on, you can't hear anything. But now I'm going to turn it off, guys. I'm going to turn it off and you listen, okay? And you're going to hear that background noise that comes from your mic, okay? From the wires and wherever, okay? From the interference. So now I'll turn it off right now. So guys, as you can see, you can hear the noise. You can hear the noise. So I've been looking for a way to remove this for quite some time till I found out about this app made by NVIDIA for NVIDIA powered laptop. But this is, guys, you need a laptop that has an NVIDIA card, like NVIDIA GPU in it, okay? And a powerful one that maybe 1060, 2060, 30, or maybe, okay? But it works, guys. Like, it's like magic. You hear that? You hear the buzzing sound, right? So that's what I'm talking about, guys. So now I'll turn it back on now, guys. Voila. Voila. It's gone. There's no more noise. You see that? There's no more noise. There's no more noise, guys. Not even a single noise is filtering through. So guys, that's the power of this app, guys. This app enables you to do your audio recordings, your music, whatever, without having to worry about the background noise, without having to worry about that pesky sound, okay, that comes out of, of the mic, okay. Now that's that. Now let's move on to the speaker section. This, you don't really need this because your speaker audio will always be good, but you can add some effects. Select the main speaker you want to output from and that you want it to work on. When you do, you're going to select noise remover, select echo remover, turn them on, and there are some examples there. Then now, guys, we're getting to the main part of the video. This is the camera, guys. This is where the magic happens, guys. This is where the magic happens, guys. This is where the magic happens. So guys, this is what we're going to do. Right now I'm going to shift over to my other app right here, my streaming app. I'll go to the webcam group. I'm going to edit the webcam. Okay, I'm going to select the camera from NVIDIA Broadcast. Okay, now guys, wasn't that like magic? Wasn't that like magic? Do you see the FC24 behind my back? You see it? Voila, it's like magic. Now let me switch it back to my main camera. You see, that's my main camera. You can see the background of my room, right? You can see the background of my room. You can see the background of my room. Everything is there. Now, let me switch it to let me switch it to give me a sec. Let me switch it to back to the NVIDIA Broadcast software. Voila. Voila. Okay. Close. Now you can see there. You can see that, guys. So this is what you do. When you select the app, you're going to click on, you'll select your main camera from the drop down right here. When you're done, select the FPS and wherever. Then you're going to do this, guys. Very important. You click on turn on. You click on, there's a drop down there's a drop down here. I can't really click on it right now because of I'm recording for you guys. I'm using the camera, so it won't let me turn it because it said the source camera is busy, as you can see. So now you click on that, guys, and you can turn it off, guys. You can turn this off. Turn this off. In this place, you can change the background. Okay, you can change the background of the camera. So, guys, I'm going to do that right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to deactivate my camera to free up the camera. Okay, then I'm going to release the camera. Give me a sec. Let me load it up again. The camera shouldn't be busy. The camera is not being used. Hold on. Okay. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. But basically, yeah, what I'm trying to say is this. You're going to be able to set the video that you want to set right there in the camera app. Be able to set the video right there. You'll be able to set up you see it. Okay, so right here, this is where you select the picture, guys, the picture that you upload. You select a picture from your desktop and that picture will automatically become your background, just like a green screen. You can also make it black. You can do any sort of thing you want by using the background replacement, guys. It works like magic. So let me do it one more time. As you can see, it works, it works, it works. I've turned it on. So guys, do you see that? So guys, you see it? It works like magic. Like magic. It works like magic. So guys, if you enjoy my content, if you know I've given you value, please help me out. I'm trying to grow. Please subscribe, hit the like button, follow me, and leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know I provided value. Okay, help me so I can keep making these videos, guys. It is very, very important. Okay, so guys, you can see it's very easy and nice to use. You can even set the performance, the quality, depending on how powerful your laptop is. Okay, it also has video noise remover. You can make it strong or weak, anyone you want, guys. Everything is all there, but you can see it right here on the video. Right here, you can see it. You can see the FC24 behind me, guys. You can see I can move freely. I can do anything I want to do without having to worry about anything. So even if anyone is passing behind you, they're not going to see the person. They're not going to see your room. Your room automatically turns into a studio. Okay, it's just like you have a green screen. A green screen, guys. You'll basically have a green screen without even needing to use a green cloth or whatever. So guys, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, turn on the notification bell, and follow me. Leave a comment, tell me how I did. Thank you so much for watching this video. This means so much to me, guys. Let's play some royalty music, free music right there. So thank you so much, guys. So check out my other videos, watch them, check them out. Thank you so much. I'm going out right now. Thank you, guys. I'll be able to see you guys on my other videos. Thank you. Goodbye.